Hey everybody, so I cleaned up. It is 7:33 now, and I poured the last bit of my water inside of my wood bowl. I really love this wood bowl. I could have a million of these. They're just beautiful. I use it to wash up in the morning, and I have the essentials and a little bar soap. So yeah, and I got my hair ties so I don't look so bad. Keep my hair out of my face. My hair is to the bottom of my back, so it's just easier this way to wash up. Anyway, my bed is fixed. Just want to let you see how cute it looks in here. Cleaned up. Yeah. So anyways, I use this seat. It's still in the right position, and I use this as my table, and I eat on this when I do decide to eat. I have a chair and my table, which is also my bed. Works out great. Let me see if I can show you how cool it is. So yeah, and this is my garbage. See-through, so I know how much garbage I have. And yes, again, I have another little screen. I was gonna go to the park and do this, but it's gonna wash up and then drive. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. My house is, well, my car house is very nice and neat. I also have one of these. You can get them smaller. They have little small ones that are weaved. It's a fan. Yeah. So it's really cool. Anyways, this is how I live. And when I start getting a little bit of attention, as you can see here, I usually just leave the area because I don't like people noticing me. So yeah, I'm gonna wash up and then I'm gonna go to the park. Anyways, enjoy your day, everybody.